What's up, guys? It's Justin Marc, international dating coach and relationship expert. Guys, back with a new video. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why girls hate broke guys, and especially hot girls. Why do attractive women hate broke guys? There's a few reasons for it. Is it because they're all gold diggers? Not necessarily. Are some women gold diggers? Of course, right? Not all women, right? But why do women hate broke guys? Why do most women dislike broke men? Now, I'm gonna explain why in this video. So you have to think from a place of evolutionary psychology. Back in the caveman days, we used to live in these tribes of like 100 people, okay, or less. The average tribe would probably be like 50 people. A bigger tribe would be like 250 people. Now, think about it, right? If you were to meet too many people, if you were to know too many people's names, you're gonna start forgetting names because your brain is only wired to remember maximum like a couple hundred people's names. Think about it, right? Have you ever met a woman or a person in general and you kind of just forget their name? Like after like 5 minutes, your brain just like forgot, right? But you don't forget your brother's name, right? You don't forget your dad's name, right? You don't forget your cousin's name or your best friend's name. It's because we are wired to only be around people who we know and only remember the people we know. It's the same way you don't remember the stranger on the subway ride going home. You don't remember their face, right? It's the same way if someone commits a crime and they're explaining what or who the person is to the police, they can barely remember the details, okay? And because of this, we have these caveman brains, okay, that don't really work too well. They almost work the same way they did a million or 2 million years ago. It's really interesting how that works. So it's funny. Back in the caveman days, women, they used to rely on men for resources, building, a home or some sort of like place where you can be safe from the elements, right? And for food, for hunting, right? It was mostly men who go out and hunt. Now, what this means is women, they're still wired with the same evolutionary psychology that they have been wired with for the last few 100,000 years, okay? Arguably millions of years. Now, what this essentially means for you is if you are broke, hot girls will not want to date you. They might have fun with you. They might have one-night experiences with you. They might have a lot of short-term experiences with you, but they will not stick around, okay? And the reason for this is because even if a woman is in love with you, how is she supposed to trust you as a man to be able to potentially take care of her offspring and take care of her, or to plan for the future, okay? Recently, I was dating a really, really attractive woman. This woman had an insane influence. She was on a popular TV show. She was really well known. But I noticed something about her. She would just live for the moment. And she had no money, okay? She had no money, even though she got paid really, really well. Like she got paid probably like 4 to 5 times the annual salary the average person gets paid in her country. But what was interesting was she would spend all her money as soon as she got it on clothes or whatever to make herself pretty. And the reason she would do that was to attract high value male attention. Now, what she had was tons of ex-boyfriends who were millionaires or who were famous or who were these high status men. But she did not necessarily have the capacity to take care of herself. For example, when she lived alone only for a short period of time before she went broke and had to move back with her parents. Then her dad would take care of her, or ex-boyfriends would take care of her, or when I was seeing her, I would take care of her. Now, think about this. A high value woman is gonna have tons of dating options. And when I say high value, obviously, I'm talking about a good looking, attractive woman. She's gonna have tons of dating options. Now, is there a lot of women who can take care of themselves? Of course there is. But most very attractive women, they don't want to. They wanna find a guy, a man, an alpha male, but not necessarily even alpha male, oftentimes like a beta male, like just some fucking broke dude who'll listen to them and do what they want and listen to everything they say, right? And that way, your money is her money, right? It's funny how that works. So essentially what you need to do in order to level up is become financially independent. Now, a lot of guys who watch my videos, I know you're broke. I know you don't have any fucking money. I'm going to teach you guys in the next few weeks on this channel how to start making money alongside improving your dating life, so that way you got both of them handled. Because number one, you want to make sure you're not attracting gold diggers to you. You want to make sure that you have a dating life where you're not just getting used by anybody, right? But more so than that, you want to make sure that you have a financial life, so that way you can do whatever you want to do. You can travel, you can have the freedom to just take time off of work and just chill. For example, I literally just took 2 months off of work. I didn't film a YouTube video for like 2 fucking months, okay? I stopped posting content. I stopped coaching clients. And I had the liberty and the financial freedom to be able to do that, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do the exact same thing over the next few weeks on my YouTube channel. I'm going to start posting more content about business, about how to actually level up in your career. And if you ever have any questions, you can either message me on my Snapchat at SexyJustin, my Instagram at DrunkJustin2, or my Telegram group, Justin Marc Inner Circle, or message me on Telegram at Justin Marc. All of these links are in the description, okay? Now, how do you solve this? Well, before you start trying to get your dating life handled, start getting your career handled, your business handled. Well, with the internet, there are literally 1,000,001 ways how to make money online, okay? There's literally hundreds and hundreds of ways in order to do this. Now, I'm going to teach you these for free on my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you for free because I believe every man, every woman, every human should learn entrepreneurship and transition their life into one of freedom, one where you are confident and happy working for yourself and delivering value to the world and getting paid in doing so. So here's the truth. Women hate broke guys because, look, you won't be able to take care of her. You won't be able to take care of kids potentially. And so attractive women will not commit to you. She will not stick in it with you. So the main thing you should be focusing on as a man, if you don't have your business and your career and your financial situation handled, or if you don't have a good credit score, my credit score, by the way, is 824, okay? Really good credit score. What you should be doing is figuring out how to get all of your ducks in a row. You should be figuring out how to get out of debt. You should be figuring out how to learn high-level skills or high-income skills so you can provide value to the world and therefore make lots and lots of money. And if you can do this, I guarantee you, you're going to now have the financial resources to invest in learning, invest in travel, invest in your relationships, or just to invest in, Tinder Gold, right? Or invest in being in environments where you'll find more attractive women. For example, let's say now you can go to a nightclub, you can buy a table, and now there's more women there, more people there, high-level dudes there that you can become friends with, and a higher ratio of men to women, meaning there's more chance for you to meet women. Or, you'll have money so you can buy my online seduction course and learn how to get killer results with online dating. Linked in the description, all right? So, guys, my name is Justin Marc. I just want to give you guys that update. Women hate guys like you who are broke. If you are making good money, they like you. It's pretty great. They do like you. What's awesome about this is you don't need to make a whole lot of money to be attracted to women. You don't even need to make 6 figures, but ideally that is a good income worldwide. Like 6 figures US is a good income worldwide in order to pretty much attract your ideal partners. Now, I'm not saying in any way, shape, or form do you need money to attract women. Don't mix up my words, because when I was broke as shit, I was having a pretty crazy dating life, a lot of fun. However, I was living with my parents. I wasn't able to really keep the attractive women or the high value women around in my life because they were just going for guys with like better careers than me, right? Guys who had money, guys who had their own place, right? Guys who weren't sleeping in their parents' basement or on a couch in college. Like I used to literally sleep on my college couch, okay? This is like 3 years ago. I used to either crash, 4 years ago. I used to crash in my parents' place or sleep on couches or friends' places, right? A couple years later, traveling all around the world, been in like 50 plus countries, like living in luxury on the regular. Now, you guys can learn this stuff. All you gotta do is make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep updated by turning the bell notification on, right? And I'm gonna be teaching and talking about tons of business concepts in the next few months about everything that I can think about of how I've gone to levels of financial and career success and how you can do the same thing. I'm going to be talking about everything about how to get out of debt, improve your credit score, grow a business from scratch using social media. I'm going to be teaching all this for free. I know you might not be in the financial position you want to be in right now, or maybe you're making decent money and you want to take that to another level. Well, okay, I do have a program called the Online Mentor Program where I teach guys how to start crushing it with whatever it is they want to crush it with. I do this one-on-one. This isn't like a group coaching thing. It's with me online. So think about getting a therapist. Imagine getting like therapy. A lot of times these days with the way the internet works, you can actually sign up for therapy online. There's like an app called BetterHelp where you can actually get a therapist online. Well, I run something called an Online Mentor Program where I work with students one-on-one, but I don't take on too many students. So if you are even remotely interested, I highly recommend you message me on my Instagram, Snapchat, or on Telegram. Okay, links are in the description. I do one-on-one training. It's not cheap. It does cost a few $1,000s, but we can help you. Me and my team can help you take whatever it is you're doing to a 6-figure income. Now, I highly recommend that you contact me ASAP because I only take on about a dozen people a month for this, and that's like the maximum capacity I can take anyone on because I do this one-on-one. I do one-on-one training. What this means is I can't take on too many people. So if you are interested in this, I want you to message me right now on Instagram, Snapchat, or Telegram, and we can work together one-on-one. I could actually teach you a bit about what I know with business, how to grow and scale your income to 6 figures like I have with a ton of my students. So I usually teach dating. A lot of my dating coach clients end up applying the concepts I teach to the dating life, but they apply it to their career and business life. And I realized that that payoff is insane because when you do that, quite often you're gonna end up making a 6-figure income. So if you are curious about that or want to learn more, just shoot me a message right now and we'll get in touch. All you gotta do is message me your name, your phone number, and a little bit about you, what you want to do, what your goals are, your financial situation currently, and we'll get in touch. And I just want to give you guys an update. Women hate broke guys. And if you want to actually start crushing it, you need to get your shit together, okay? You need to stop being broke and get your shit together. Okay, so guys, my name is Justin Marc. I'll be talking to you guys very, very soon, and I'll see you in the next video.